go through some questions that some Russian students had sent me. It's part of their program. They're studying the Pali Canon, and they asked people to come and give a talk and then answer some questions afterwards too. So that's what this is about. So I did 3 of their questions. I'll start now with the 4th. They're actually quite interesting questions. Yeah. Okay. So 4th one. The bodhisattva vow asks us to liberate all sentient beings. A number even cosmology cannot easily count. Something beyond the grasp of our mind. Are there any ways to really make it personal in our present life and current circumstances? Yeah, be kind to the person in front of your nose. You know, all sentient beings doesn't start with somebody 15 universes away, you know, that you don't know. It starts with the people that we're with every day and the people that, you know, that we talk to, that we interact with, that we think about. And so to change our mind and our verbal speech and our actions towards those people and to do what benefits them. And then slowly as you do that, you start expanding it, yeah. And you can start with, you know, if it's hard for you to think of benefiting them initially, start thinking of the people who have been kind to you in your life. Start with your family and friends, and then think about the people in society who do all the jobs that they're strangers, we don't know them, but we depend on their efforts and their work, and think about their kindness. And then, you know, you gradually expand it. So we have to be practical in how we practice, yeah. So yes, you know, when you're meditating on compassion, then finally you go to all the different realms of existence, and you think of, you look up at the sky and you think of, you know, who knows how many sentient beings there are scattered around multiple universes. And that's good, that enlarges our mind. But, you know, the question was, how do we start it out with, and bring it home to who we are now?